Have you ever pondered the sheer magnitude of life that thrives within the emerald expanse of the Amazon forest? A place so teeming with life, it's practically a universe unto itself. Let's embark on a journey into this fascinating world, a world that's home to more than a third of all known terrestrial plant, bird, and mammal species. Picture yourself in the heart of the Amazon, a realm where the treetops echo with the cacophony of life, where every leaf could conceal an undiscovered creature. It's a pulsating, vibrant world full of surprises. Take the capybara, for instance, the largest rodent in the world. These semi-aquatic mammals are expert swimmers, using their webbed feet to navigate the countless waterways of the Amazon. They're a quintessential part of the Amazonian ecosystem, their grazing habits helping to control vegetation and their burrows providing homes for other animals. Then there's the jaguar, the apex predator of the Amazon. Sleek, powerful, and elusive, these big cats play a crucial role in maintaining the balance of the ecosystem, keeping prey populations in check. They are the embodiment of the untamed spirit of the Amazon, a symbol of its wild beauty. In the canopy above, you'll find the vibrant scarlet macaw. With their brilliant plumage and raucous calls, these birds are a splash of color against the green foliage. They're not just pretty faces, though. These intelligent birds play a vital role in seed dispersal, helping to ensure the continued growth of the forest. But the Amazon is not just home to the large and charismatic, it's also a haven for the small and obscure. Consider the leafcutter ants. These tiny insects are the ultimate farmers, cultivating fungus in their underground colonies. Their ceaseless labor helps to turn over the soil, promoting nutrient cycling in the forest floor. Towards the end of the journey, we find the mighty Amazon river dolphin. These fascinating creatures are the largest species of river dolphins, navigating the murky waters of the Amazon River. They're a testament to the adaptability of life, thriving in an environment far removed from the open seas. In exploring the Amazon, we've encountered a small sampling of its remarkable inhabitants. We've seen the capybara, the jaguar, the scarlet macaw, the leafcutter ants, and the Amazon river dolphin. Each of these creatures play a unique and vital role in maintaining the health and balance of the Amazon ecosystem. We've also glimpsed the incredible diversity and complexity of the Amazon. It's a living, breathing testament to the power and beauty of nature. It's a place where life thrives in every corner, from the smallest ant to the largest jaguar. So next time you think of the Amazon, remember it's not just a forest, it's a world, a universe teeming with life. A place where the story of our planet is written in the leaves and the soil, in the calls of the birds and the roar of the jaguars. It's a place that reminds us of our connection to the earth and the myriad forms of life that share it with us.